Okay, folks, this is the Rosa acicularis growing at TreeTime greenhouses. As you can see, you can not see any of the plugs anymore. This is ready, ready to harvest, more or less. It'll probably be going out as a summer crop or a reclamation type customer. But this is the quality that we get at the end of the season, typically, for TreeTime.ca. That's www.treetime.ca. Check out the different roses we have. We often have Rosa acicularis, which is the Alberta or prickly wild rose, and we also often have the woodsii, which is the woods rose or common woods rose. All of which have gorgeous, nice flowers. They have different heights on them primarily. They tend to have about the same amount of suckering. They are a great addition for early flowering for pollinators in your yard. They can make a nicer little hedge. They're a great understory species. They're great for bankside erosion. I've seen people plant entire rows of them for their farm to get some better interest. But check it out at treetime.ca. Learn the latest price and availability there. Sign up for a restock notification if we don't have them in stock right when you need them. It is a harder crop to grow. It's not something that germinates perfectly. As a species that suckers a little bit more, often sometimes the seed doesn't need to be perfect because it has other ways to survive in the wild. So the seed could be a little bit more of a struggle or a little bit more finicky. We do test it and try to do a lot of things to make sure we can get full production, but we fall short of it most years with with these rows. We can get our numbers a lot of the time, but not all the time. We're good. We're really good, but we're not perfect. But do check up the Rosa acicularis or the Rosa woodsii at www.treetime.ca. Sign up for a restock notification if we don't have it. If we do have it, you're lucky. Get it as soon as you can. This makes nice rosehip tea. We get people purchasing this all in every province and territory, more or less. So check it out.